Alzheimer's, dementia, or what? Okay, these are all types of dementia. So we all know about Alzheimer's disease. The Alzheimer's Association does a fabulous job of getting the word out, and they also have wonderful resources. So if you want to learn more about dementia, not just Alzheimer's, but dementia in general, they're a great resource. Then there's Lewy body dementia. It's a different kind. And it's usually, it has a relationship with Parkinson's disease. It tends to affect the neurological functionality. Also, people with Lewy body tend not to develop the short-term memory loss that is a classic hallmark of Alzheimer's. My mom had that. So my mom would actually remember, like, what just happened. The problem with my mom was that her long-term memory had been replaced with a total fantasy. She had developed people in her life I never did. Okay, and for a very long time I was her sister Sylvia, not her daughter. So it's a different kind of dementia. Vascular dementia we talked about. That's what my dad had. Hicks disease, what my dad didn't have. Frontotemporal dementia, this is like yet another type. It has to do with the shrinking of the frontal temporal lobes. And sufferers can have more than one. Now here's some things that make dementia even more evil. For one thing, it's very difficult to classify exactly what type of dementia a person has until they die. So what do we do while they're alive? It's a problem.